We looked at all the cars.
Let's look at these ones because we didn't see these ones.
Yes, we did.
You guys walked through here already?
Well, we parked way down there.
Oh. Parked way down there.
Park way down there.
Yeah, the opposite end.
Go figure.
We looked at those cars.
Okay.
Right.
Well, you got to pass it on to the generation, right?
All about the cars.
Wait. And then, da, 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 da.
There was another guy, but I told him, I said, he just pulled up in something. I said, take a look. I said, there's a nice scooter down there. Yeah, and I said, still there. That would be something.
What's your favorite car, Dave?
TR6.
I was gonna say, that's a nice red one over there.
Yeah, this one looks cool. This yellow one. Because it has a fin.
Yeah, it does. Look at that thing.
Then we'll look at the TR6.
And they're only making 32 an hour, which isn't that much anymore.
And we go over here. That car is ours. I'm getting on. Do-do-do.
Must not have pulled it. That's pretty out cruising.
I think we looked at all the cars.
Well, I didn't.
Let's go back there, D.
He does fit in that little pocket.
Oh, look at that.
What
A little
fits?
bulky, but
What fits? What fits?
I don't ever take that Jeep when I go running because I have little pockets in my storage and my other Jeep fits really good in it.
We just have to. No, we just have to do this last line. Now we just have to do this last line, then we're done. What's the cars?
But we usually meet at point 4.
Yeah.
But it's like 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah. Somebody's shot ain't gonna be the good one.
Whoa. Whoa, where is that?
Oh my God.
Yeah, Friday mornings I've been running with her.
That's good. She better fit your goals to work, I take it.
Yeah, that's a lot of engine work outside. What did you do?
Nothing.
There you go.
Hold on, I did not get this car.
have to adjust it up and down. So up.
I got a picture
There you go.
of
Right
it.
there. Bingo.
Rah, rah.
Yeah, I told her she's got to run by herself all the time, so I told her Friday morning I run with her.
That's nice. Well, over the Tuesday, yeah, she has to go by herself.
So when we go, I think it was the week after she was sick. Well, then the week after was better.
Yeah.
I think you were just scared you were sick.
I think we're done.
That's when she said all the people who worked
Just
at
the
it.
cars. I think we're done.
Let's go check out that black one, that station wagon.
This one right here.
Look at that.
That's what I should have ran. Todd, back up, honey.
I guess that's all we got to do.
Are you done?
Yeah. I think we're done.
I think we're done, yeah. We could go.
Mhm.
Short and sweet, huh?
Mhm. I got all the cars.
All the cars?
Alright.
You know there are creeks coming. I know. I bet there's probably a lot of bees in there.
Oh, yeah.
I want to get different.
Alright.
Alright.
Hold on.
Wanna go eat? You got it. You got it, dude.
Dave, you want to go to Applebee's?
Go
Yeah.
Applebee's?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Alright, we'll meet at Applebee's.
Alright, we'll meet you there.
Alright.
Come on, dude.
Can you turn this off?
You have my wallet.
Uh-huh. Cool.